So yes, some of you guys did guess it right. Some of y'all said gray. Obviously none of you guys guessed the exact color. Shit, I ain't even know the right color, so I don't even know how you was supposed to get it. This color's from 3M. It's satin dark gray metallic. I don't know if y'all can see. It gives off a flake. It picks up whatever light is being thrown at it, bro. In hard sunlight, this shit got like a purplish hue to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really hard to depict on camera, bro. But when y'all see it in person, you'll see it. You'll definitely be able to tell. Fucking love this color, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So the color I was originally supposed to go with was satin thundercloud, and all this was supposed to match. Feel me? But they sent me the wrong color, bro. But this color right here, bro. This color right here. Nah. That nigga blessed it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That nigga still about to lose his job though. So yeah, they did send me the wrong wrap. It ended up turning out really fucking good, bro. It looks different from every single angle, bro. Every single angle the color changed, bro. My God. My God. Huge shout out to Craft Vinyl Works on IG. He made this custom banner for me, and he made the roll call for me in the back. It's one of my favorite parts, but let me know what you guys think. You guys like the mismatch going on, or do you guys think I should color match this with the satin dark gray? Honestly, I'm thinking I'm about to color match the satin dark gray onto the banner, so everything's the same color. Let me know what you guys think though. It's a nice offset. If y'all ain't know, this is a 2015 Civic, boosted on a PRL Stage 2 turbo kit, making around 400 to the wheels on E85, considered a conservative tune. Yeah, that's my wastegate. Everything in the engine bay is still the same. Full fuel return system, RBC intake manifold, 1000cc injectors, precision 6266 turbo. It's in the back though. Tile Q50 blowout valve, radiant fuel pressure regulator, QD fuel rail, QD fuel pressure gauge. Got all types of goodies on it, man. The Hasport motor mount, big front mount fridge. We got the intercooler up front. Can't forget the monster can. Feel me? That's my catch can. Inside we got some gauges for boost and air to fuel ratio. We got our steering wheel done from our good friends over at RL Steering Wheel Covers. A little fire extinguisher in case you ain't know my car caught on fire before. If you want to see that video, it's up. It was in 2021, so yeah. Yeah, sad day. Anyways, same engine still in here. Bone stock K24. Shit, she been pushing, man. So we just plugged up the new Hondata. Mark, he got a
Hondata. We tuning that bitch.
About to go crazy, bro. We about to add some burbles.
It's PG-13 or no?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, I'll put it far away. I'll stay in school. I'll be good. All that good stuff. Get in Orlando. Honestly, feel me, close to our out here, man. So let's go out there. You feel me? I'm a muppy, and I'm just keeping it yellow.
Plugging up the Hondata for the first time. But what exactly do you want to do on the tune?
I just want to do the rev out a little more and pop, retake a little earlier. I'm not gonna lie.
I should say 2012 to 2014, but it don't matter because it's the same engine. Stock reflash. If you ain't seen my last video, it shows you how to get the Burble Tune and all that. If you want to go look at that, you can go look at that. And the link gonna be in the corner of the screen right here. Somewhere. We got his tune uploading right now. Happy this nigga got the 4-door, bro. Shit's toughy.
Why you didn't like that, bro?
What happened?
Why you supposed to be sweating in your video, bro?
I feel like this is my second workout for the
A nigga have to commit and watch that shit. Like, that's why I'm so blowed.
Only the real stay to the end, bro.
I couldn't help but laugh, bro.
Switch the ignition off. Start it back up. The car's reflash, my boy. You gotta give me one little rev, bro. It's stopped. I wanna see if that shit pop, you know what I'm saying? I need to hear that. I wanna see how much you can hear it. outside and hear it, bro. I want you to go outside and hear it, bro. It's still stock though. That's what he putting exhaust on it. Stop. You bringing the guys out the room. Yeah, man. Facts. That shit is nasty, bro.
What's on the commotion?
Alright, it's before 10 o'clock. I don't feel bad.
Whose car is that? Oh, shit. Oh. Y'all niggas in the future, that's crazy. I mean the past, wait, past or the future? Oh, I forgot to introduce them, bro. The new whip.
Nobody even know about it. Y'all got the
Drum grip?
What's it?
Boosted curry. You feel me?
Boosted curry.
Boosted curry, man.
Got the 10-speed Eco Boost. That shit moving. Ooh. Bye, Terrell.
We ate that pop earlier. It's so fun.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Finally get to go past 7K, bro.
Can I do like a 93 already or no?
Oh yeah, 93. We're 93.
It's on 93 right now?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure all the Hondata tunes are 93.
Alright, that's all I need.
93 expensive as fuck, bro. I'm getting E, and that shit expensive. Imagine 93. This nigga got this car less than like a week ago.
I bought it Wednesday, so less than a week.
It's warm now too.
That shit is crazy. That shit is fire.
Is that on your thing?
Oh no, I think that's like a soda can or some shit. You don't even feel this shit, bro. Trying to break my neck, bro. That trance really is the deciding factor in races, bro.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
You better not touch my shit, bro. Sassy ass wall.
Bro, I ain't gonna, I was about to blam that nigga too, bro. My name is Leroy Jenkins.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays out the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They will rap like I'm playing a harp.